Hey everyone, James from Support here. I'm just going to show you how to change the price of an enrollment at checkout. Very simple how to do this. So we add the student and then we add the course. I'm just going to pick an old class here because this is just our test system, so don't worry about the age of the data that I'm using here. And then we go, this is where it's done in the summary. Click on the course or class, and provided the class has a discount attached to it, it must have a discount attached to it for this to work. Because if it doesn't, and you try to click this, you'll get a warning saying please select a discount before editing price. So you have to make sure that the class is attached to a discount record. So we'll select a discount, and the way that this works is basically discounts are now editable at the checkout. And what this does is it means that the amount that is being discounted is always being tracked, but you can still manually apply any amount that you like. So you can see here that with this discount, this class is going to be down from $240 excluding tax to $224, and we want to change that so that the price is actually $150. So we'll just type in 150. There it is. Everything's all calculated and done for you. And then you can just accept payment, and we're done. And that's how you edit the price of an enrollment in checkout.